Welcome to another episode of Bangalore Agrico farming videos. Today I am going to show you our strawberry guava plant. Actually, this is the second time I am showing this plant, and 1 year back, nearly 7-8 months back, I have done another video. That was the first video for this plant. That time it was having full of fruits. Now you can see a lot of fruits in this plant. You can see bunches of fruits there. I cannot count it. I think every branch we have got fruits in this. And we can see this fruits here, fruits here, fruits here. Then green color fruits you cannot see. I think it has a lot of green color fruits also. So many fruits are there in the lower branches also, upper branches also. So here also. And more fruits are coming up, you can see. And this plant, it is there in the ground for more than 1 year now. As you know, in the ground these plants normally will grow very quick because its root will be spanning. Many people asking, I want a very big plant. I want 7 feet plant, I want 8 feet plant, I want 15 feet plant, like that. See, we deliberately cut the center of this plant here. You can see the center of the plant is already cut. And we developed this plant with lateral branching. You can see how the base of this plant is developed. Go a little backward. Yeah. See this plant. See from here, base onwards, like how many branches here. See here, this is side branch. This is another side branch, opposite side one branch, here this side one branch, again secondary, tertiary, like that. A lot of branches we developed in this plant. And you can see this plant. See, this level means nearly 4 feet plant. And this 4 feet plant, we have nearly 500 fruits. Really. You can see once again, all these are fruits. In this every branch we can see fruits. We can make more fruits also. Right now we have trimmed and pruned this plant in such a way this is producing these fruits. See this branch full of fruits. Actually, like birds and other things are all coming and eating these fruits. We are happy that other beings also coming and eating. So I can show you a lot of fruits in this plant. I'm going to pluck one fruit. Plucking. Yeah, so I think this is the biggest fruit available in the plant. So I'm going to eat it. It has very good aroma. This strawberry guava plant, strawberry like aroma, strawberry like color, and it may have fruit seeds inside. So I'm just opening it. See? Very nice. You can open it with hand. Take it like this. Remove its seeds. Gently remove its seeds and you can eat it. Really awesome. If we eat the seed also, no problem. Nothing will happen. Then I am removing all the seeds here. See, I have removed. Actually that part is very sweet. Still I am removing. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video from Bangalore Agrico. You can get these kind of plants, even bigger plants also, you can get from Bangalore Agrico. And you can contact us through 9535 771 669. Thank you very much.